Guys, not everything you see online will grow your hair. Not everything you see online will grow your hair. And some of you are out here buying products like it's Black Friday every single week. No. Let me give you secrets to what grew my hair. I'll just talk about 4 things that grew my hair. Please stick around for the last point, the bonus point. It gives you clarity on how you can grow your hair. Okay? So let me be very honest with you. I used to think 4C hair or African or black hair does not grow. You know, I used to think only the white people's hair, the Wazungu's hair, is the only hair that grows. And ours was like cast or something and it never used to grow. But let me tell you this. My hair was growing. But apparently, I was slowly destroying my own hair. So the first thing is understanding hair growth. First of all, your hair is growing. Our African hair, our black hair is growing. Hair grows about half an inch every month. But for 4C hair, what happens? It grows and then it shrinks like crazy. Like it is shy or something. I don't understand. So you don't notice that growth. And then you're there like, where is the length? Where is my hair not growing? But then your hair is like, babe, relax. I'm here. I am growing. But then you cannot see it because it shrinks like crazy. And so you need to understand that every single month your hair is growing and you need to appreciate the fact that it is growing. And this brings me to part 2. Hair retention and detangling of hair. The one thing that I learned from my 4C hair is that I need to learn how to detangle. Detangling is key. Let's be honest. For me, detangling used to be war. I used to have this comb and I'm trying to comb.
Wait, time out.
Because that is what I grew up seeing. And I used to have combs and try and comb through. Even with small combs, my hair does not even appreciate small combs to start with.
But why?
And I used to be like, we are fighting with my hair. Why are we fighting? This is not Iran, Iraq wars, you know? And so I stopped. I started pausing, taking breaths, and I stopped rushing. I started doing finger detangling on my hair, like I'm showing you here. I started doing the big combs and just slowly taking my time, romancing my hair, ensuring that I am telling it it's okay. My hair is not a white person's hair. It's not straight. It's very curly. So if it's curly, then I need to take time with it. So guys, if you're already going with big comb like,
And it needs to stop.
you know, it is not that hair is not growing. It is because you are doing it wrong. You are breaking it. You might as well just take the scissors and cut it off, because that's what basically you're doing. Take time with your hair. The other thing that I started doing was doing low manipulation hairstyles. Like seriously, why would I keep on touching my hair every single other day? I personally, I'll be honest with you, I like to do my hair out. I love to see my hair out. But then, like this hairstyle that I have done here, I think it looks so beautiful anyway. I'll stay with this hairstyle for the next 1 week or 2. Because why am I every single day looking like I'm going to the red carpet? No. And even if I were to remove the extension that is on this hair, then I'll just do 2 big 3-strand knots and that's it. And I keep it away, tucked away till morning. I just come very briefly, detangle very briefly with my fingers, put the extension again, and then go to work or go wherever I want to go to. But then I stopped doing a lot of manipulation on my hair. You can, yes, wear your hair out, but then once your hair is out, stop doing a lot on it. If it's possible to just do a finger detangle and work with your hair like that without having to do just the combing on it, then that's better for you. Please do not keep touching, resetting. No, it will break. So please, low manipulation on your hair. Point number 4 for me was using the right products. Guys, not every product, and I started saying that, not every product is made for us, especially the black girls. Because you're seeing me right now, I'm having good lighting and I'm showing you, oh, I use, let's say, Ashanti, because that's what I use, and I use Mikala. It might not be the right product for you. So I stopped getting every single product I saw out there on my hair. I'll first try it and see, is it working for me? If it's not, stop using. I had to learn what works for me, not hype, not trends, not vibes. If your hair feels dry after using products, there's no sleep, you're mostly feeling like you're fighting with your hair, then trust me, that product ain't for you. It ain't for you, and accept and move on. There are other products. It doesn't matter if this influencer is famous. It doesn't matter if this influencer is what. What? It doesn't matter. Use products that work for you. Moisture matters. Ingredients matters. Look at my shampooing whenever I'm doing, let's say, a wash day and I'm showing you a certain product. Mikala shampoo. I'm not promoting their shampoo, but it has zero sulfates, which is very, very good for 4C hair. That it is usually very gentle on natural oils. I tell you, it has no sulfates, it has no parabens, some of these things, because I read what are the products that I'm using for my hair. If it doesn't feel right for you, stop using it. Okay? Yes, guys, and I told you I will give you a bonus point. This is the bonus tip for you guys. DIYs changed everything for me, guys. DIYs, that is do it yourself, homemade products, things like avocado hair mask. I think you've seen that here, rosemary oil, you've seen banana hair mask, Cardi B hair mask. Those things, flaxseed cells, okra, so many DIYs. Your kitchen is not just for food. It is not just for food. It is also for producing products, or rather producing homemade, let me call them products for your own hair. And they can be used once, they can be used twice, and it's very easy to do them on low budget. I'm not even breaking the bank doing them. So DIYs for me, that's a secret, guys. You need to check out my DIYs, and those DIYs have really, really worked out for me. Marvelous, guys. Guys, it's 1 year, 6 months. Look at my hair. Oh my God. It's healthy, it's thick, it's growing. I'm just so proud of my hair. And the last thing I'll tell you is, with all this said, with all whatever I'm talking about, consistency, consistency, consistency. You don't do a routine today, tomorrow you're dropping it. No. If you've said that you're going to finger detangle, please finger detangle all times. If you're tired, do not do your hair. That's my mantra. If I am tired, to be honest, I don't take time doing my hair. But if I'm feeling well and happy and excited like I am feeling today, I'll do my hair again and again. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Make sure that you've subscribed if you haven't subscribed. Make sure that you're coming back to watch my video here. I am linking a video here, how to do the avocado hair mask. I'm also linking another video here, how to also do the oil, the avocado oil at home. The DIYs I talked about, they will help you. Bye bye. Kisses.